Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. So this video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be empties of 2020, and this is the skincare and hair care edition. So usually I do a video like empties, expired and throwaway. So this is something on similar lines, but I want to title as empties 2020 because now we want to get done and dusted with this year. So I have a lot of products which I've accumulated, and some of them might be repeats from my previous videos. I don't remember because भैया इतने प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं ना एंड वी हैव टू कीप अ सेपरेट थैली या बिन वे वी यूज द प्रोडक्ट्स और एक्सपायर हो गए तो काइंड ऑफ चेक करना मुश्किल हो जाता है बट दीज आर सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई गोट टू थ्रो अवे बिकॉज they have firstly they have expired, most of them. Some of them I have used up completely, and some are turned gross, so I cannot use them even though their expiry date is nearby. So whatever the thing is, I will mention in this video. Will also be kind of a short review on these products. So without wasting further time, I'm going to start with all the products very randomly. And before I go ahead and start this video, it's my honest appeal to you that if you like my videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel to show your support. Subscribing is absolutely free, and if you do not want to miss out on my videos, do not forget to turn on the bell notification and set it to all, so whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you and you will be able to watch my future videos. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the products right away. The first things are wet wipes. So I have used these over the course of this year, and this one is called the Guinea Clea or Clea, I don't know how do you call that, cleansing and makeup remover wipe. This is very famous. This मेरे ख्याल से Nykaa पे से famous हो गया. I had bought it once. I really like it. The strawberry one is the one I would highly recommend. इतना अच्छा smell करता है, and even to take off your makeup, it's really amazing. Unless your makeup is like very long lasting, फिर आपको या तो कोई oil based ऑयल या ऐसा कुछ यूज करना पड़ेगा, निकालना पड़ेगा. अदर देन दैट, इवन टू रिमूव मेकअप और नॉट रिमूव मेकअप, दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड. यू गेट 10 वाइप्स एंड इट्स प्राइस एट ₹30 एंड नाइका पे डिस्काउंट्स रहते हैं तो 25 में भी मिल जाएगा. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस हिल्टन पैकार्ड 25 वाइप्स का पैकेट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक, and you can easily find this at beauty center. If you live in Bombay, you know what is beauty center. It's a place where you get all makeup related products. You get wholesale, you get retail. So I saw these on Amazon. It's mentioned as Hilary Rhoda wet wipes, but that's, I don't know, वो अच्छा है कि ये अच्छा है. This is just an average wet wipe I feel, and it's okay. If you're a YouTuber or somebody who makes a lot of videos like content, especially अभी Instagram आ गया है, TikTok था, and now there are different videos, video making apps. So definitely you have to apply makeup and every time उतारना पड़ता है, तो तभी ये काम में आता है. I do not regularly use these because I am aware that it's not good for the environment, but once in a while I do use a wet wipe, so I'm not going to lie. So yeah, I did finish these once. The next thing I finished is this Hip Hop charcoal nose strips. It's meant for the men. It's a men's variant, but then I really like it, and I have used at least 3 boxes of this. मैंने already repurchase किया हुआ है, तो इसका price कुछ बढ़ गया है. In fact, I think it's around 90 rupees or something. Yes, it's 90 rupees, and you should always buy it whenever there is discount. I usually buy mine from purple.com. I'm in their app because I'm an elite member, so I always get discounts, and whenever there is sale, I definitely grab these because I have this issue of blackheads. Moving on, I'm going to show you these 3 essential oils, and this is from the brand Mitti Se. Now Mitti Se is a 100% organic skincare brand, and they make a lot of skincare products. So way back, 4 or 5 years back, they had sent me these, and they had a long shelf life, but now I realize they have expired. So the ones I am throwing away, this one I have almost used, and this one is a tea tree one. This one is the patchouli essential oil. I did not use that much, and this was one of my favorites, the lemongrass oil. If you really have anxiety or something like that, this is the best oil. Like when you smell it ना, पूरा मूड ही चेंज हो जाता है. अगर आपने अमृतांजन बाम यूज़ किया है, इसमें उसमें लेमन ग्रास का स्मेल रहता है, ये उसकी तरह ही स्मेल करता है. ऑब्वियसली दे हैव एडेड द लेमन ग्रास एक्सट्रैक्ट. सो व्हेन आई स्मेल दिस, आई वाज लाइक, ये मैंने पहले कहीं सूंघा हुआ है. तो या, दिस इज दैट. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड दीज. इट्स अ नाइस ब्रांड, एंड आई थिंक दे हैव रीब्रांडेड नाउ, तो ये पैकेजिंग सेम नहीं दिखेगा, ये तो बहुत पुराना है. So yeah, I'm just getting rid of these because they have expired. Now moving on, I have 3 hair care products. The first one is the Devon Herbals Dandruff Cleanser and Conditioner Shampoo. So it's a huge bottle. It was sent to me in PR. Now the reason why I did not review it is because I did not like this. Like when I used it, I did not feel that it did anything for my dandruff. So I've hardly used it, and it वैसे ही पड़ा रहा और अभी expire होने वाला है. So I'm definitely throwing this away. It did not work for me. I do not know if anybody else has heard or tried of this brand, but I did not like it. तो पसंद नहीं है तो रिव्यू करने का कुछ मतलब नहीं है, so I did not review it. So yeah, I'm getting rid of that. The next one is the Abs Goodness shampoo, and it says tulsi, henna and amla है इसमें. It's a scalp cleansing shampoo, and what it says, it prevents scalp itching, nourishes hair follicles. So basically a scalp cleansing wala shampoo hai. It comes in this bottle. I wouldn't have thrown it away, but this pump got spoiled because we always use, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, hand wash. We put it in this and we use it because we do not buy. I mean, it's always good to have multiple uses of products. Consumerism इतना बढ़ गया है, like there are so many products in the market, so you need to use products over and over again to make maximum benefit of it. And इस तरीके से recycle का भी problem, वो issue कम होता है. So yeah, that was my 2 cents on how to recycle and use things in the house. So coming to the shampoo, it's really inexpensive. I don't remember for how much I bought it. It says 125 out here. And how much ml do you get? 200 ml. So it's really inexpensive, and you will get it for like less than 100, like if you are an elite member on the Purples app. Now the thing about the shampoo, the smell is good, but it's kind of strong. It has that strong tulsi wala smell, and it does do a good job of cleansing your scalp. But if you have an oily scalp, भैया 2 दिन में तो बाल धोना ही है. So yeah, इसने कुछ exceptional तो किया नहीं है. It has cleansed my scalp, but not that much. And the second thing is that it makes your hair really dry. So you have to use the conditioner, वरना आपके बाल बहुत dry हो जाएंगे. So now I've used it completely, and I'm going to throw it away. The last shampoo I have is from Patanjali. It's the Kesh Kanti Rita hair cleanser. This is for 200 ml. And what is the price? It's 85. Very inexpensive. It's an okay kind of shampoo. I used it once or twice. Actually my grandmother had given me this shampoo, so now because I'm not using it, I was using it to wash my brushes. तो बहुत थोड़ा सा रह गया है, but I do not wish to use it because I'm currently using the Sunsilk Black Shine shampoo, and that kind of works for me. And my mom also uses the same thing, so I have emptied a bottle of that, but I cannot show it here. I forgot to get it. Maybe I've thrown it away. So yeah, these were some of the hair care empty. So now I'm just purely going to show you all the skincare stuff. Hey friends, so I'm going to start off with all the skincare items and some here and there कुछ भी random items होगा, I will show you. So the first thing is the Sheetal Chandan Sugandh Yukt powder. So the backstory of this is what I mentioned in my haul video, that I was looking for a sandalwood powder. I thought instead of ordering it online, I told my mom to get it from the chemist, and that guy did not understand. I do not know what they gave her this, and this is definitely not sandalwood powder. It did not even smell like sandalwood, so I was really scared. And I already used it on my face, and I was shit scared because I thought it's going to break me out or anything. So before I go any further and use it, I thought it's a waste of money and time, so I just want to throw it away. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of this product. The next thing that I can see here is the Lactocalamine Skin Balance Daily Nourishing Lotion Oil Control. It contains kaolin plus glycerin for oily to normal skin. So I was really intrigued by Lactocalamine, and I haven't used it for years, so I got this. It is still valid until next year, but can you hear that noise? It has completely dried up, and I do not know what I could do to fix it. So sadly I am going to throw it out. If you guys know of any other nuska, let me know, but I don't think so I would want to revive it. Like it's literally मतलब ये आवाज आ रही है, मेरा अंदर पूरा पत्थर जैसा हो गया है. So I'm going to get rid of this product. Alright guys, so moving on, the next thing is the Biotique Bio Apricot Refreshing Hair and Body Wash. This is how it looks like. Now this is a sample size. I have used the other ones that I had, which I got in a hotel at Hyderabad. So this does smell nice, and like it says, it can be used for the hair and can be used for the body. I agree, it's really nice, but it's kind of mild. So if it is like summers and all, ये body odor तो बिल्कुल control करेगा नहीं. But if you like something light and refreshing, you could definitely go for this one. Since it has expired, I have to throw it out. The next thing is the Bio Bloom Skincare Face Oil. Now this one unfortunately expired, and I cannot keep it anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. It's really good. It's really expensive. For 15 ml ये 1500 रुपए का आता है. I had got it in one of the Glam Evo boxes, and I don't know what happened to that company. I think they shut down or something. because they don't exist on the internet, but that was a really really nice subscription box, and I had got this oil in that. Unfortunately I couldn't use it, so I have to get rid of it, but I have tried it enough, so I'm not sure, maybe I would write a review of it on my blog, hopefully. So yeah, if you're not following me on my blog, if you're not reading my blog, I have so many reviews out there. Definitely check it out. I will leave a link in the description box. Okay, moving on. I'm going to be very quick now because there are still a lot of products remaining. This is the Devon Herbals Astringent Refreshing Mist. Removes oil, dirt, makeup, and skin tightener. So this is basically a toner, and it's literally amazing. I have used it, but unfortunately it took a backseat, and the smell is really really good, so I would highly recommend this one. Now it is 220 rupees and you get 300 ml. अगर आपका skin extremely oily है, then definitely you could go for this one. It's easily available online. If I find a link on Amazon, I will mention it in the description box. The next two products are from Enchantia, and this is their Moisture Silk perfume body lotion, and this is in the variant Romantic. The packaging is so cute, and so is the product. It smells really really nice like roses, but it is very heavily perfumed. Now it does say it's a perfume body lotion, so obviously it thoda I mean it's going to be like stronger than you expect, and it really does a good job of moisturizing the skin, so I like it and would highly recommend. Now unfortunately I could not finish it, so I'm going to throw it away. The next thing is the Enchantia Deluxe Perfume Shower Gel in the variant Charming. Now this is how it looks like, and mind you, all of Enchantia products, like the way they market it, it contains French fragrance, that's what they say. But this is personally not my favorite because I feel the smell is too strong. But if you like strong fragrances, if you're okay with that, go for it. I'm not I do not know how to explain the scent, so it is going to be a little difficult for me. But yeah, if you like it, you can check it out. I will mention the name in the description box in case you are interested. Also a link from where you can buy if you want to really try something new. The next thing is the Dabur Gulabari Rose Water. Like I have used it completely, and this was my holy grail product, especially during lockdown. Other than that, also I like rose water. Now a face moisturizer I would highly recommend now in winters for all skin types is the Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. It's an excellent product. It's not too greasy, not too thick, and it does an excellent job of moisturizing the face. Unfortunately I couldn't finish it, but definitely I would want to repurchase it in the future. I will mention the link in the description from where you can buy it. The next thing is this Roop Mantra Ayurvedic Medicinal Cream. So basically it's a face cream, and it's really nice for those who have oily skin. So जब भी आप इसको लगाओगे, your face will get brighten up, and also it will kind of moisturize the face without making it sticky. तो और क्या चाहिए? And this is like for less than 100 rupees, I think. Yes, it's for 93 rupees. So definitely I would check this. Now थोड़ा सा बचा है, I couldn't use it, so I'm getting rid of it. The next thing is this Wadi Herbals Anti-Acne Aloe Vera Face Scrub. So I have already reviewed this on my blog. So it was part of a kit, and all the products expired, so I had to throw it out. At that time I did not think I would make a video on empties. फिर भी बहुत सारे products बच गए थे, so at least I have a video to make. So this is the thing, we use so many products and it's very difficult to keep a track. But this, I feel this one is a very average एलोवेरा फेस स्क्रब. इससे भी अच्छे आते हैं मार्केट में, although it's not bad, but it is heavily scented, so I would definitely not repurchase or buy it. The next thing is the Biotique Bio Burberry Hydrating Cleanser. This is how it looks like. I honestly did not like this product. The smell is not that great, and ऐसा कुछ exceptional करता नहीं है. I used to use this to remove my makeup. And it is strictly like I feel it's strictly good for only dry skin, not for somebody who has oily to combination skin. After using this, you definitely have to use like a face wash. So yeah, that's that. The next thing is this Oriflame Love Nature Hot Oil for dry hair. So this is quite expensive, I feel. मतलब ये 100 रुपए में इतना आता है, like very unnecessary product, I feel. You can just go for your normal coconut oil, heat करो, लगाओ, या organic वाला खरीदो. that extra virgin wala, that could work. But yeah, if you want to go for it, you can go. Like, you have to put it in hot water and all that jazz. I did not like it. Unfortunately, I'm throwing it out because I wasn't able to use it. The next two products are face washes. One, I think I have showed in my previous empties expired throwaways wala video. This is the Blossom Kocha Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile face wash. An excellent face wash, I would say. It is perfect for every skin type, and especially during winters, if you have like combination, or when your skin turns dry, if you want something like a mild face wash, definitely go for this one. And look at the packaging. Oh my god, so cute. Aroma Magic products are always on discount on Purple, so you should definitely go and check there. Then the next face wash is the Oriflame Essential Fairness Gel Face Wash. I really liked it, but I do not like the claim of fairness. एक भैया फेयर कौन बनता है यार फेस वॉश यूज करके. Maybe the way they see is that they want to say that it brightens the skin. The brighten the skin लिखो, fairness क्यों लिखते हो यार. So this smells really amazing. The scent is amazing, and it's quite expensive. I feel 299 मतलब इतने में तो आपको 3 फेस वॉशेस मिल जाएंगे. लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स राइट नाउ. It's not something I would highly recommend. However, if you're a fan of Oriflame, you can go for it. So yeah, this is that. And the last product of this video is the Enchantio Alluring Body Mist. So this is really cute. It smells amazing. Like wow, it has a very florally kind of scent, but not very overpowering like something जिससे आपको headache हो. तो yeah, definitely ये आपको deodorant try करना चाहिए. ये बहुत inexpensive है. It's for 199 and you get 150 ml. That's a lot. 150 ml is a lot, definitely, for the price. So yes, these were all the skincare, hair care and random products that I wanted to show you in this empties video. And the video kind of has got long, but I wanted to mention everything in this video. So there's going to be another video coming up where I am going to show you all the makeup empties. So this is it for today. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.